Hola, okay, my brother. Hey, safety first, my brother. Corona. Hey, my sister. Charamu, my sister.
At least abhekela namzansi.
Yeah, ke Mzansi mo. Yeah, Mzansi insider. Yeah. Protection first.
Guys, as you can see, there was a man who took a bag and inside the car of two people that were traveling. They didn't know anything. People are lying about this coronavirus, saying that they're giving away free masks, which is not true. Guys, protect yourself. Don't take away free stuff from people, though. These two people right now are just sleeping and noticed that they were drugged, though. So people, be aware of this whole thing. Thank you, though.